They say, Boshe ye kadan.
Boshe
kadan. Na assembly I can be as no. I want to year. If I ever try back in 2024. See a becker no crown, I may actually young say, Sabi, ya yaman your summer. Make a yaman your cool 17 America, make Cassasa Ganini, and the Cassasa Unyamia Qua, I'm your for 2024 elections. But campaign a message back one. Na Ghana for be including me, I met hey, I mean to me move him, Obia in dada. A be a topical issue pack as your pa. Not ye PC tea free, you rubber umiano, you ran a John Dramani Mahama, no any others are no. Egina say LGBTQ na and once a mabano. A dear now be president obey. No priority pa. It will be our kind of a you rubber umia so no when you cry dear. A non-starter, ye come once because a haram. Come you kasa bibi a harama. Eh, and ya sama to ye kasa bibi a harama, and yasam to Aminia, I take Mohammed Neden.
Abusia for me, Mamunina mo Aquaba, Edibagan and Sem TV so. But more this like video, now be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebit makabi. Now so watch the watching or comment section was sa. Say the munim ne me Mr. President. Na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen apeso boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in sabeka na new studio so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so na another I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Na me share video no I dey share them for free mun say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian Bay I will say youth of it like youth or mind bimu more rebellious politicians now of a sudden their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
This is Boshe ye kadan. Boshe kadan. Na assembly I can be as no. I want to year. If I ever try back in 2024, see a becker no crown, I may actually young say, Sabi, ya yaman your summer, make a yaman your cool 17 America, make Cassasa Ganini, and the Cassasa Unyamia Qua, I'm your for 2024 elections. But campaign a message back one, na Ghana for be including me, I met hey, I mean to me, move him, Obia in dada. A be a topical issue pack as your pa. Not ye PC tea free, you rubber umiano, you ran a John Dramani Mahama, no any others are no. Egina say LGBTQ na and once a mabano. A dear now be president obey. No priority pa. It will be our kind of becca. You rubber umia cancel or no when you cry dear. A non-starter, ye come once because a haram. Come when you took us a bibi a harama. Eh, and the asama to. You can't be a harama and yes, I take Mohammed Neden. To only you say, only one, he doesn't even want to talk about it because a haram. And you read John Dramani Mahama, so say, Oba, Embrano, say a real quandia, the Ura Kufado answer anything. Oba saying, there are some papa, may begin also to Obama. But in the bay I dream, now not to Obama, now Oba be saying. Sama ye ka say nkasem bi ani ho ebiza yero Mahama ntimi story nko sign e kan say mra Abraham na ne fa ye den e fa meto ne nim enti ka parliament ye ho adwuma e na e ba ne nim ananye sa enti se sanity dia ade enti no ne obeka ho asam say se si ye ka say any priority o man mu se sanity dia say e beto ne nim na o sign ana me bwa na e meto ne nim enti what was the issue here? But no question me woman say yero Mahama ba he ni nkomodie asesa Nkomodi e wo LGBTQ no asesa Jaba asesa because Oshia Catholic Bishop Conference asema kan e different asema ka Oshia you can say Christian Council asema kan e different and na anu ada asema wo kan so e different na de mesra na ho brasiba no say enye Ghana enye ono na hia de kra onfa nka ho na enye hia de because ye nhwehwemu wo man mu ebisa nipa dodo adwen say nipa hin ne pese ye gisa de ne tum any nipa hin ne pese be jatum no I am told say about over 90% of the population can say yempe ye entimi nyina wo man bi abaka me ati ase enya de ehia no
that's what you getting.
Of course yati ase chairman ehia no because ehia no dia oba ye nyema ehia no na wo ye ho adwuma ara me bwa
this is very normal say ehia
enti ehia no
Our church must say any priority because or doing accommodation or doing adwuma or doing senior economy be and no those
okay
never be what a priority man as saying LGBT.
But you see chairman the question is say me obi a asam na kora me ntimi nkata so sa na tie pa dia and I will say sorry to the previous government because you see and some of me metina wo fidie so kan at that time some members of the ruling government and including even the president himself I have a topical issue in Ghana about whether or not President Kufuor as a sign Embrano and I said only can sign Embrano. The air kai sometime na you were Kufuor no the free education ba anamboa na OC Agenda 111 which is 111 hospitals and I guess for the first time in the history of this country who be sad NTP that in fact that time na ogwakwan who do Pokwase interchange na oye motorway na o master Winnipeg Road in fact Beach Road is no master I mean Yofa Dodo World Road nani na construction koso niam ye kan ho asemi adwuma sem hospital sem school sem ade ba asem na ho but yet it became a topical issue. But my question is that Yero Mahama so kan it is one person ka Yero Kufuor na kan sa time na emre twam na nka pacho ga yenuanum na wo ka say support you defending ka say na come kan NDC for
now who Charles na
chairman the American one na come kan pepe say my disappointed if we say Yero Kufuor call London and I think on Agyeta for koye interview now all kind of so LGBTQ no Ghana no agitation share dan course sa enti no yentimi nka ho asem to say until says that time no dey ebedru kama mebufu papa mebufu papa it is ende se Yero Kufuor kan sa time no e ma minnuan man DC for sorry ne so fortunately even under the NDC there Yero Bagui that's so you speaker of parliament anamboa
okay
o hwe enkofo krom sponsor bill na parliamentarians na NDC for the doors change MPP for anamboa
okay
MPP dey say I think say ye nua team for John na hwan no kwa meboa nipa be 5 na kan 7 against 1 yes nipa 7 nyina no dey o nyina no ye nua no NDC for God in his wisdom opere say Yero Mahama be bibi sonko o man mu nti e koto aba no for the first time in the history of this country chairman yenya super majority aban o tisi here bibi bia e da na koma so eye ne priority the na da na koma so person o man Ghana e say go through parliament there chairman wait me I am na yi
okay
if is na no na nkomodie bi kosofa is it chief whip any majority leader ever OSP in sense ho yeah what it say o mampani sabi atonkra say anamontu bi o motu bia no o motu break ananya sa enti sabi so yeah o mampani say ye I can't actually say in here dear I mean and you been called saying here dear Sankanaka in here dear and come me ura bagby in Sia with Gina ye and who some waka in Ghana and outside Ghana programs are who when you know the waka so they paying so or only pencil as bagby and the pencil or we make sure say make him pass it now my dear could be here at the time MPP for the bill MPP time I bill no call ya na omu debate ho na MPP for no bi tia NDC for no bi tia ne wan na ekoso nya no ye roba bin kan say wa wo fi say onya de ntomo pija nsa men hwe obi ntoma pija nsa ya count clearly shows say enipa dodo ana e wo parliament on no mu nyina aja ade ne den etum chama enipa he na afiri mu na mpacho afiri ma hye bedwam obetima ka etu kan say dodo na na da so e den e wo ho e de bi e den abeka ho menti sem na hye bedwafo no se saadi ehun ye hia de ma obi mu e bo wunya omampani oda oman nyina no na so kan ne se mpo se oh me de me o omampani sabe me ntimi ko forso de no parliament ba e mu be da manim ko ade a me de ma hyebo me de me nsabe de e be hya ase tawan ka sem bi eni ho na mom se o be ka se de da wakoma so na de hia wo sesi ye a wo hwa ma o man Ghana ne se economy be yie ye suku ko be yie ye hospital sem be yie na ani mom ne hia wo de a chama na kese o man pania so kan no ye hu bi woni ye ni yie Peace FM
Abraham Bible Kosono ye radia catch me and openi na koma papaniti onyame asa no hobere ahyɛ nse bibi ati Thank you very much.
I don't blame her. I blame the NDC in Kwasiafo. NDC in penny form of Jimmy. NDC in penny form Muni Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in TSS Munya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a farmer one example. Say, and penny for be. Me friend mu amon fa no. Me here wo hwe o. Anabisi o. Me nuaba anabisi o. Me ka se me nuaba because me maame firstborn e wo 54 years. Ono ye pe. Enti wo ye me nuaba pani. 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa. Me twa interview wa how. Maame we try interview. Mano na me ne wontem ye fine. Me ba Ghana na ye shia kama me ni nkoto be shia kama ye shia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre. Ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe. Ene say enye me last born. Ye last born. Me nua ba ketua odi machi. Oko private nursing. Owie school. Na djuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message you don't even read. Minim se me frewu asebio wadwen ye o se me besrewu me wanso me sre oskada me NDC ni bia di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achema dieda, which of course achema dieda eye onu akasa na komemu ena odi chair me mansre no. Me nyesesrefo. Iti ye fremu na se mo mfa mama dream nya mo say ye frɛ mo say ye hia bibi o fefe na efe say me no ntembe kama fefe na efe say na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time adwumade bua NDC and esa youth no edi ade na omonsa aka what have they gotten? Nothing. Can't promise any NDC member say mebua me campaign and I say me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai. With munsam what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barre. Mo de credo at mo panty mo. No problem. Me also boxer credo pa, credo kotokuro pa de dem. Mo de montana sina